Hey there. If you have been wanting to become a notary, but you have been procrastinating, I have been there. It took me several months before I actually got started once I received my commission. And I used the excuse of, well, I don't know what to do, or let me research some more, or let me jump in this Facebook group to see what everyone's talking about and see if I can gain some information by that. Yes, you can certainly do all of that. And in all honesty, it took several months before I just picked up the phone and answered a call and took my first notary appointment. And it has been great ever since. I honestly wish I had started sooner. I just think back about how much time I really wasted getting prepared, taking all the training, listening to everyone on YouTube, TikTok, everything but doing the work. If that's you, you know it's you, and you want that extra little push and or help in starting your notary business career or whatever you're doing, a side hustle or a couple hours per week or on the weekends, whatever you want to do with your notary commission, we can help you with that. You have waited until the day of the notary starter kit presentation, which is today at 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. It's not too late if it's before 5:30 on Wednesday, August 9th. It's not too late. So don't continue to procrastinate. You know you want to do it. You have been interested for a while now, right? If you're being honest with yourself, it is $40, and the registration link is still open while it's open, and you can jump right in there and you can join us via Zoom. Once you register, you'll get a Zoom link. You'll get a copy of the recording once you've registered. You have an opportunity. I know a lot of people love to find mentors. This is your opportunity to be mentored, right? The one-time opportunity. You'll get the recording and you'll be able to ask questions during this presentation and so much more. So do yourself a favor. Jump in, learn, and get started today. It's just that easy, and you will thank yourself later. Believe me. So again, the Notary Starter Kit learning presentation is today at 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. The link is below, and join us. We'll be happy to have you and to work with you.